Wrong Turn URC 2025. Today I'm the co-host. Who's my host?
Free State versus UKZ10.
Free State versus KZN. Yep. Durban versus Bloemfontein. That's what's up. Yeah, make some noise, man. There's no calling to us yet. Who's calling it? You wanna go first? You agree?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, Ngqwele, call again.
I said, I'm a real man. When I punch, I hold my fist tight. Yeah, what? I said, I'm a real man. When I punch, I hold my fist tight. Banguza ngingcwele ngani. Abatshela ngafika ngenebele mani we stick fight sick, right? Buckle up your straps and sit tight. It's gonna be a bumpy road. A long way away from your fucking home. So you're a peasant then. This is my fucking throne. If this kid touched me, trust me, all gonna hit his bow. Bald heads knock him down. Let it be fucking known. Fuck all you free state niggas. I'm not here to make friends. They said he got bars for days. I told them, bring me your best man. Now I'm feeling like a corrupt warden from Durban, thinking how I'ma fuck up Westville State Pen. And I break bread with the niggas I starve with. When we're trying to make ends meet with this battle rap shit, I'm not the nigga you should start with. I'll have you storm quick. I'll have your own people kill you. So but I have none of the niggas to get rid of you. But I know what's the West Side like fan. Light skin motherfucker. I know pretty bitches be fucking with you. End of the day, he general Nkwazi. It just fuck cuff niggas. Fuck nigga. I heard you be babysitting while your baby mama out bitching. So me and you, we cut different. Treat this blade like an infant. When I leave it stuck with him. I watch your battle with Samza, nigga. I watch your battle with Samza. This was like, you boogie down when Zikaban, how your head, you're black out there like Panda tires. Maybe I'm fine.
That's fine.
How your head, you're black out there like Panda tires. Vele, I'm fire. Big difference between you and me. When you're a whack human being. Up in here with your Scooby-Doo bars cause you're a courageous goofy nigga. It's outrageous how I do this shit. I wrote facts and bought straps, never had to pull the trigger. When you all cap, you need to go back where you be fooling people. With you, it's all rap. Sam.
You're running down.
I'm going. West, call again.
General West.
Right, man, General West, all the way from Bloemfontein, Free State, best in the fucking world.
Yeah.
I said, see where I'm from, to earn respect, you need to drop your most fearful enemy. All my niggas got crazy body count. The list is endless, be lemon squeeze like remedies. I done watch my dogs graduate after catching bodies. That's a whole different pedigree, you get me, G? With a name like Ngqwele, I already seen through you. You ain't lethal too. Fraudulent goon, I'm back the cook for dragging me down just to slaughter you. Your line lost in a void between your avenue. You ain't got no direction. Going down on a cheek is the only time you kinda get where your head into. I'm an alcoholic. And tonight, I'm a man up to it. There's a black cloud hang over my head while I'm going through shit. I be taking shots, then black out on y'all because I got substances to deliver. Bitch, this is ether. I am feeling you, kid. You lack star power and some leadership skills. I'm only taking this substance in vain because there's no hero in this. See, I'm definitely out rapping dog. That's for sure. Clapping force. Bullets going in, out, niggas quicker than a ratchet hole. See, Ngqwele is pairing with a demon. And don't worry about possession. Cause your soul, I'ma own it. As I hold him, the blade tossing. Crack open his dome quick. Nigga survive in the hospital. Doctors trying to stitch him back together urgently. I pop up during surgery, breaking in. Here for his pathetic thoughts suddenly. The scene gonna be like how drug lords get incarcerated by crime intelligence. I'm here for the brain behind the operation. It's a board. Pen polished. Pen polished. You barely scratching a skirmish. You ain't that good. I went from gun bust. Now punchlines are hard to stomach like sad news. I kept elevating from a gunner to a puncher. I guess I'm paid puss. Let's dance full. Let me teach you a thing or two before you get ridiculed. You only comfortable rapping in your own language cause you trash. But I guess that's something you already knew. Even if your boo was guessing you still getting out bad. More like how villages pushing education for school infrastructures. You're getting outclassed. You're only gonna get a reaction because of home crowd advantage. You ain't nice with the rhyme. Passion is dark. You will remind me of white people. Your drive needs your dogs on the side. The boy.
That's fine.
You gon' spit some stupid Zulu Nazari rhymes. You gon' spit some stupid Zulu Nazari rhymes. And they gon' react like it's incredibly tight. The energy gon' go from 0 to infinite side. You got them fooled. Think dusk till dawn movie. It's only a matter of time till they realize who's a sucker. But you know from the crowd.
If you watch that movie, you know that, bro.
You gon' spit some Zulu Nazari rhymes. And they gon' react like it's incredibly tight. The energy gon' go from 0 to infinite side. You got them fooled. Think dusk till dawn movie. It's only a matter of time till they realize who's a sucker. How you feed off from the crowd. See, I've watched most of your fights. You hardly hit 100 views. Which got me questioning things like how they keep booking you when your own city don't even fuck with you. How they keep booking you when your own city don't even fuck with you. You, the Jahul of Rong Battle Rap League. Every matchup feels like a no-show. Your record is embarrassing, fam. You forever catching L. Every battle you indulge in, you get tennised. It's upset. You stuck in a squid game loop. Every match got death in your back. And General West, fire, spark shit up, fresh lighter. I'm definitely outlapping dude. He's gonna get exhausted because West backfires. I'm definitely outlapping dude. He's gonna get exhausted because West backfires. Nigga so doomed. The clock shoot. I hold it like a grudge. And I'ma take it out on you.
Talk to him.
Nigga, it's fine. Nigga, don't try to play mind games with Professor X. I serve a head. Soon as he weathered the storm, in hell he buried. The roof is spit.
That's fine. That's, you know.
Nigga, stop trying to play mind games with Professor X. I serve a head. Soon as I weathered the storm, in hell he buried. The roof is spit. Man, I'll pop out the head like Wolverine. I can shoot with my eyes closed, then hit the medulla quick. Because if I open them, I lead up the place. Your pen, unpolished. Man, precision with a violent twist. I'm from an era where Coco Melon didn't even exist. Ain't no necessary rhymes here. Just grown man diction. Every bar is on strict conviction. You can check the bar structure. Not even one filler will be singled out like a solo date. And if this is war between titans, I'm on my spat and shit soon as war hit the board. Circumstances die as soon as that line is crossed. I am King Leonard. Circumstances will die as soon as that line is crossed. I don't give a fuck if wife will be left with my husband. I am King Leonidas, willing to die for action. Make a casket. Time.
Nice.
Round 2, Ngqwele, call again.
Hey yo. I said, use a work artist. I said, use a work artist. Yo.
Get down.
Yo. I said,
International Putin mic.
I said, use a work artist.
You got the start? You got this.
I'm a Pakistan.
Okay, I said, use a work artist. Nyamuzu tulumpede. Bro, this ain't your top of party. Uyabona la kukho deko. Sohlukumeza siphume sigena uzoqhuzuleka. Uzofukuzeka cause uzolithwala idomboko lo. I said, you a work artist.
Yeah, you coming. Let's
go. Cash
Come
flow.
on with it.
Let's go, nigga.
I said, you a work artist. Nyamuzu tulumpedo. This ain't your type of party. Yabona la akukho deko. Sohlukumeza siphume singena uzogudluzeka. Uzovukuzeka cause uyayithwala idombolo ngoba uyayikhukhumeza. Awuphuma uphele mawuthi awugcwele ngomfudumezo. Kuzongena ingcwele. Phela umcimbi kuduka iphelo. Umama lakho, limama lakho lingishanga iflawa liyangidunusela. Imama lakho lingishanga iflawa.
That's fucking funny.
Put it down!
Ayo. Imama lakho lingishanga iflawa liyangidunusela. Ngathi liyazi ngiyawuthanda ubhinzi ngiyawusika ujeqe. I'm the hooligan from the hooligan. I'm the hooligan from the hooligan. Ethukuthele. I told my nigga sukumeni sifunele impucuzeka siphume again. Uhulumeni ukhuluma ngenkululeko into engekho. My brother free kodwa ngikhululeke emqondweni engakaphume ejele. I said, yo.
Spit that Zulu shit, nigga.
This shit is fine, man.
Let's go.
Yo.
Spit that Zulu shit. Spit that Zulu shit.
But bro,
Bro, why Come on.
Let him think.
Yo.
Sorry.
Okay, yeah. I'm the hooligan from the hooligan. Ethukuthele told my nigga sukumeni sifunele impucuzeko siphume again. Uhulumeni ukhuluma ngenkululeko into engekho. Angikhululeki mfowethu
Time. Second round, General West.
Let's take this W West.
he's thinking about it right now. The international.
When you're ready, my homie. Why you thinking about it?
We good.
Let's go West.
Look, I pleaded, begged and cried. Asked for an insanely guy. Want to match my style. And they got me battling you. I'm mad at these KZN guys. Battling you is like playing Russian roulette with an empty clip. You never came to mind. But for the fuck of it, I'll just hack his spine, clap the 9. A humanizer finally focusing on his family. I got rid of his side. You were people cool. Let me draw out your vision. I blackboard souls. Now your chalk is outlining possession. Class in session. Test me and get a lesson in grief. You will learn from a stick. I ain't even gonna charge you per trick. That's like you were square in the field. It gets flipped off static. You were SpongeBob, how you like to hang next to a star. That's tragic.
Pause.
Let's go.
Pause. Cook that nigga.
Talk that shit again.
I pleaded, begged and cried. Asked for an insanely guy. Want to match my style. And they got me badly new. I'm mad at this KZN guys. Badly new is like playing Russian roulette with an empty clip. You never came to mind. But for the fuck of it, I'll rag his spine. Press the 9, aim at his eyes. The humanizer finally focusing on his family. I got rid of his side. So you were people, cool. Let me draw out your vision. I blackboard souls. Now your chalk is outlining position. Class in session. Test me and get a lesson in grief. You will learn from a stick. I ain't even gonna charge you per trick. That's lie. You were square in the field. You are SpongeBob. How you like to hang next to a star? Till a chopper spin off the top. Grabby petty.
You missed that crabs.
See, I've been outside. Where they stash heat under broken bricks. You from the slums too, or you just play victim. I play the role that load clips. Fuck your dramas. I got cases. Difference is you've been heard. I had the witnesses. You cry about the system. I studied just to rig the sentencing. Ngqwele, you more like Pali Tyrant, running a circus of clown. You sniffing out scraps. You just a stray dog off the ground. You integrate. Nah, you complicate nonsense. All feelers. Your bars got more holes than Swiss cheese.
Open them bean bags.
And you should stop chasing shadows like you blind and you lost in your own maze. Trying to flex complicity but you stuck in the same phase. Trying so hard to puzzle your style but your pieces don't fit. I spit facts so cold your whole facade will split. That's Ngqwele, the irony. Cause basically mean that's how your death gets born. I squeeze arms like stress toys. Face reality. You too young to fuck with me. Slave queen mentality.
International.
I said face reality. You too young to fuck with me. Slave queen mentality. I'm from where kids get left with no heat. Parents on the block like BMF. So we learn to eat off the street. My stove ain't wet. I had to cook with fire for my pain. If you get a bag, you'll fold it like Franklin. When I got mine, I built an empire of flames.
My nigga.
Talk.
Shit.
Have you ever seen your homie die of an overdose? I did. Still hear the gaggle in his throat when he died in front of his kid. I've been pain, you rap pain, I buried that in my chest. Have you ever saw your homie die with a needle in his vein? I had to close his eyes myself so he ain't die in shame.
I pause on the way.
Talk.
What?
Talk.
Talk that pain shit.
Talk.
Come on.
Have you ever seen your homie die because of an overdose? I had to close his eyes myself so he ain't die in shame. Mama screaming, boy gone. She can't blame the block. Cause she knows it's what happened when a little child get raised by the street. See, Ngqwele, tonight, you gonna go from Ngqwele to a sacrificial lamb. I show no forgiveness.
What?
Plot every move like a villain with no witness. I don't bury the hatchet. I blacksmith on cold business. Hold it down. I said tonight, hold down. Tonight, you gonna go from Ngqwele to a sacrificial lamb. I don't bury the hatchet. A blacksmith on cold business. Build a casket from your silence. That's a soul stitched with bold vengeance.
Punch at all.
Use my little nigga, Ngqwele.
Go deeper. Go deeper.
No. This
You is my little nigga, Ngqwele. And I know you rate me high.
Yeah,
So you think battling me gonna open windows for opportunities? I'm on some hacker mode. I don't know. I breach security.
Cook that nigga.
I don't know. I breach security. Broke the firewall. Slide through the back end. Mask up. I'm the virus that crashed trend. You want the key? I keylog and override. Took control of your drive. Now I'm inside your enterprise. No cap. I'm known to black out on desktop.
Shit. Talk your shit.
Shut the fuck up. Let him talk.
What?
Let him talk.
guy.
Let him talk.
Where's George?
Let him talk to this nigga. Let him cook this nigga.
You is my little nigga, Ngqwele. I know you rate me high. But you think battling me is gonna open windows for opportunities? I'm on some hacker mode. I don't know. I breach security. Broke the firewall. Slide through the back end. Mask up. I'm the virus that crashed trend. You want the keys? I keylog and override. Took control of your drive. Now I'm inside your enterprise. No cap. I'm known to black out on a desktop. Pop up. Click something. That's a setup and a headshot.
Are we talking gun bars or computer bars here?
One more TV set out. Hella.
I said,
International.
fuck the scandals. Bloom known for breeding dope speeders. And I'm the king in that rhythm city. When I will scheme some, I'll address in the most sickest fashion. House of Sweden.
Shit. Talk to him.
I said, fuck the scandals. Bloom known for breeding dope speeders. And I'm the king in that rhythm city. When I will scheme some, I will address in the most sickest fashion. House of Sweden. South African witch doctor with a blade. Y'all about to witness Mzansi magic. Yes. South African witch doctor with a blade. Y'all about to witness Mzansi magic. As I stab him, drag him, toss his meat down the river, where the currents drag it, then lie to his shorty like, yo, he skipped town. That's classic. Cover the head so clean. Nothing is going to be found by the queen.
Nothing is going to be found by the
International, better hold it. Time.
Cook
I
it.
said, South African witch doctor with a blade. Y'all about to witness Mzansi magic. As I stab him, drag it. Don't toss his meat down the river, where the currents drag it. Then lie to his shorty like he skipped town. That's classic. Cover the dead so clean. Nothing is going to be found by the queen. I'm from land of the free. And y'all still worship a being. In Free State, we only know premiers. Now that down.
I did write it down.
Yo, in Free State, we only know premiers. In KZN, y'all still worship a being. I tell Buthelezi to suck my dick.
Gangster stuff. Suck it. You can suck it too. Shut up. Shut up.
Hold it down. Hold it down. I am from land of the free. Y'all still worship a being. In Free State, we only know premiers. In KZN, y'all still worship it. Y'all still get summoned by a being. I will tell Buthelezi to suck my dick. Or challenge him to a street fight. While my niggas are taking care of his offspring. The new Scorpion King imagines. I DJ my police as how I strip niggas of their royalties. Nigga casket time.
That's a time. No, what? The international. What? Damn, hey, bro, you child.
Round three.
Someone.
Ngqwele.
Consolation round.
Hey, bro. Hey. Give him what he deserves. Chow him more than what you deserve.
Why you be like, this rap shit?
It's like, he's like,
Why?
Shut up.
Why you be like this rap shit? This rap shit? Don't talk like this in the free state. Rap's the same. Man, this shit is lame. That's why I can't mix with you imposters. You're born with this kid cadence like Aries and his brother. Like, you motherfucker is whack trying to make something complex. But you trash.
nigga.
Come on.
Nah, I feel you, bro. I feel you.
Shut up.
Man, I don't know how to do a fucking rebuttal. But bro, can't even hold shit. You should stop hanging with cannibal. Because you are dying because of what you're smoking.
Hey, boy. I'm cannibal.
Man, nigga.
What?
No, we don't care about Yamaz, bro. No offense.
Okay.
Yamaz don't care.
So we are in gun capital. Y'all better stop with the myth. We all know Basutus are the real Nkabis in this bitch. The Zamazamas. Strapped up under the blanket in the middle of the heat. Immaculate snipers. My shooter, I call him Johnny Blaze. Because he be riding around blazing fire.
You need some more special.
Let me talk to this nigga.
Talk to him.
A bottom tier. Let me talk to this nigga. A bottom tier lame in every fucking show. Let me talk to this nigga. A bottom tier lame in every show. Come to my city, I am king. I headline in every event, my bro. Always go them inhale. Cause I'm the type of air they need for the phone. Ngqwele, I think you got the wrong name. Cause all your accolades don't match you as a top grade. Matter of fact, you should be named Crocodile Tear. Cause to be run down what you faced, we see it's all fake. See, I told them first not to pair me with a weak contestant. I want exchange of bars, not some random shouting contest. I mean nonsense. Cause General West divine. Cause my line's divine. Cause, hold it down. Rhyming nonsense. Cause my line divine. General is raw, fam. My energy is outstanding whenever I offspring. Cause whatever card he be on, he offset. Quit with the damn egg. I'm not a small bag. This is King speaking. Y'all sacrifice this little nigga to test the madness. I took my lessons in an insane asylum. Hence I always come up with these crazy ratings. See, killing you is easy as chilling a beach front. Rest assured. I said killing you is as easy as chilling a beach front. Rest assured. As I grab him by the spine and twist, or let a knife slide in quick. Cut his back into two. Operation for Siamese twins. I said, I grab him by the spine and twist, or let a knife slide in quick. Cut his back into two. Operation for Siamese twins. Chop him up with a style so unique. His leg is over there. He's trying to reach it quick. This is the first time on a national platform. Good luck on trying to find your feet.
Good luck, my friend.
Outside on the international, so Hitler.
This is the first time on a national platform. Good luck on trying to find your feet. Now he's limping with pathetic legs. He went from a heathen to a Christian. I got him walking in mysterious ways.
Oh shit. Finish him.
See, I came in to see his city just to dead bomb, to explode. I don't give a fuck about his accolades or the way that his name hold.
You still gonna write?
I don't give a fuck about his accolade or the way that his name hold. Even if his name is cemented amongst the great, you know what else a name gets cemented on? A headstone. And a casket.
Like, subscribe to both channels. Wrong turn, you are seeing subscribe.